My name's Nate Petersen. I am a sales specialist in the SSV section of LDV. Prior to this, I was a sales engineer, which is a project manager and estimator. I have been here for 8.5 years. Wisconsin, Michigan, Iowa, Illinois, Indiana, Missouri, and New York. The main stuff that I'll be working with: command centers, HNT trucks, SWAT trucks, rapid deployment, equipment for fire rescue, that kind of trucks. Trying to figure out solutions and ways to help them do their jobs better. Project managers here at LDV spend a good deal of time on the production floor with the build crews, answering questions, problem solving, troubleshooting. It gives us a better insight as to how our trucks are built, how the technology integrates into the trucks. And I think I can bring that into the sales role and try to come up with the best solutions in the early stages of the process with our customers. Quality is number one for our build crews. Each crew is committed to building the best trucks in the world. Our crews strive for that every single truck. I think we are really good in the front end of the process, working with our customers to figure out what they need, what we can do for them, what platform it's on, and come up with the correct design for their purpose. Muscle cars, old trucks, racing. I love road racing and drag racing. I have a couple projects of my own. I have a 65 Nova I'm restoring and a Z06 Corvette, and that one's a lot of fun. I grew up with law enforcement in the family. My uncle is a retired police chief. So my whole life I've respected the profession and raised my kids too. So once I found this job at LDV, this is something I wanted to be able to do in some manner.